This is Wakusama, and in today's video we look at developing our sketch to line art. So from sketch to a clean line art. In one of our previous videos we looked at sketching, and you can check it out on the link in the description. Alright, so if you have your sketch, let's open it. Now let's open our sketch. I had my sketch somewhere, so this is my sketch. This is what we did previously, and now what we would like to achieve today is a line art from this sketch. Let's turn down the opacity, first step, and I would like us to do it in two ways. In one way, using a flat brush, flat in terms of it does not have any pressure sensitivity, so it's a uniform stroke. And the second way is by using a pressure sensitive brush so that the strokes are less uniform. Let's get into the first way. Once you reduce your opacity to something that you're comfortable working with, you add a new layer on top. And then let's go into selecting a brush tool. I have some brush settings, also a link in the description for that. Let's reduce the size to whatever size we want. This is not the size, is it? No. I want it a bit bigger. This is suitable. So the first way is to use a brush, a hard brush. I'm using a hard round brush, a size of 15 and a hardness at 100% and no pressure sensitivity. Let me start from the top, and by zooming in, also another setting that you'd like to bear in mind is the smoothing. It will give you better curves. I'll use a black color for this. So you will keep changing or adjusting this these few brush settings from time to time. Also, you will need to be zooming in and out as you see fit. I will move a bit faster now. This is simply what you do. Okay. So I hope you've drawn yours. Now I'll turn off the opacity of the layer below it, which is the sketch layer, and this is the result that you get. So this is the first way of making a clean line art in Adobe Photoshop, and you have uniform stroked brush, just like this. So we'll save this one as maybe sketch 1, or not sketch 1 rather, but line art 1 or line art A, or whichever file name you want. Or you could simply turn the layer off and then turn on the sketch layers. Also remember to rename this layer that has your first line art as line art 1. So let's just rename, instead of saving it as two separate files, line art 1, and then turn it off. Maintain the on the sketch layers, and let us now move to making another one. Add a new layer there, and this time around, maintaining the same size of brush, you will turn on the pressure sensitivity. Also, this is something I covered in basic brush settings, and you might want to check it out. So the second way is to use a pressure sensitive brush, and this means our strokes will not be uniform. They will be determined by how hard I will press on your graphic tablet. So let's get started. Start with the hair, or you can start from any point. You could start with your hand, with the hands, or with the eyes, just as you deem fit. Again, let's go back to our sketch layers and turn them off. And this is what you get with the second option of your line art. But this time now you have a pressure sensitivity set to on. So I will also rename this one as line art 2. So now you have line art 1. You have line art 1 with the thick, not thick, but rather uniform strokes, and then you have the line art 2 with the not so uniform strokes. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.